Instant funded account trap to avoid. Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will talk about instant funded account trap that you need to know if you want to be a profitable and if you want to create a perfect strategy for each kind of programs. So instant funded accounts are excellent because there's no challenges. However, they are traps. So let me start from beginning. When you need to choose a funded account program, you watch price, spreads, max daily loss, relative drawdown, maximum drawdown. But the problem is there are a lot of things addition that you need to watch. And for this, I just want a little bit interruption to tell you, a lot of traders that I know do not watch spreads. Spreads are very important. Why? Because if you're an intraday trader, you can see that your commission can be bigger than your profit, and it's a really crazy. If you have a zero spread account and you see that your commission is $10, it's the same as you trade with spreads where the spread is 1 pip. So it's not cheap. It's very expensive. So this is the first rule that you always need to watch, to ask, to see. This is very hard because the prop companies will not allow you to use a MetaTrader 5, 4 or 5 account or any other account to see the spreads, and very often traders start to trade and do not know about the spread. So this is the first thing. However, to avoid that, download their MetaTrader 5, 4 account platform and then go and check the spreads. You can do that. You can go to the symbols and check the spreads. Now when we check the spreads, we can see some problems. So if you want to join to this instant funded program, there are links just below this video. I don't want to talk much about that prop company. I just know that they pay. This is the only thing, but there are traps. So I'm talking about that traps. So about payment, it's okay. This is an instant funded program. And as you can see, to scale up to $1 million, you need to pay less than $400. And this is the really good. And they said you have 1 to 100 leverage. And a lot of traders think, oh, this is excellent. I will pass very fast. And they just go into the trouble. So you see 1 to 100 leverage. So is the leverage is 1 to 100? Let me see that. So the first thing, this practically instant funded program offers 2 programs, Origin and Evolution Pro. We'll just a little bit discuss about this. The first thing that you can see here in this program is that you have maximum 90 days to pass the level 1. And if you think a little bit, it's something like a challenge. Yes, you have an instant funded account. You will be paid just when you reach target. There is no, demo account when you wait a couple months to see the first payment or 1 year to see the first payment. It's beautiful. But the problem here, maximum time is 90 days. That can be very problematic if you trade some systems that with a little bit unluck and the drawdown, you need a few months, and this is the problem. If you have a drawdown, then you can risk too much and lose everything. So the first thing that you can see here is that they offer evolution program with a difference, and the difference is that you have 120 days and that you have opportunity for better leverage. And I will show you the traps. Look, where is the traps? So there are 3 traps, actually 2 traps. Please read this. In Origin funded program, your maximum trading size is $0.2. 0.2. It's a 2 mini lot, because this is lots. So it's a 2 mini lots for every $2,000. This is the first thing. That means that if you trade $10,000 account, in any moment, if you just put and you have multiple trades, you have a more than 1 lot risk, you will just be expelled. You will lose your account. And this is very serious because you have a leverage 1 to 100. So the MetaTrader 5 or any platform that they use will allow you to trade. You will trade. So they will not, they will not tell you, hey, don't trade like that. You cannot do that. No. You will be able to trade. But because you have more lots in your account, you can be penalized and you can be just rejected from the program, and everything that you earn, you will lose just because of this. And this is very risky because your account can trade, but you cannot because of this rule. The next rule is a VTS rule. Single day profit cannot exceed 40% of the profit target, and in evolution funded 25%. What it means? You trade during the news. For example, you see the beautiful news. For example, British pound dollar kicks, or US dollar NFP payroll is very bad, and euro dollar, British pound dollar is just going up. You enter into trade, but that day you cannot earn more than 25%. Even you have a 300 pips to take that day, you can just make less than 25%, and if you earn more, your account will be destroyed. And this is the problem. So you're profitable. There's no problem with stop loss. There's no problem with drawdown. There's no problem with that. The problem is your target. Your earnings too much. So I repeat, you are earning too much, and this is something that's ridiculous. So I have never seen this rule in any prop company, but instant forex companies try to add new rules because they're afraid that someone will earn money very fast, and they're against that because they're earning when traders lose. This is the proof that they will earn money if you lose, because this kind of rules cannot hurt any prop company, any live account. If you earning more, there's no problem. For example, if I put 2 lots or 3 lots, 1 lot trade, and very fast I am 30 pips in profit, I move stop loss and I see 200 pips more. Where is the problem? It's too risky? No, I put the stop loss. If I have a stop loss, there's no risk anymore, So where is the problem? 25% of the profit. So this can be huge problem. This could be huge problem for a lot of traders. So you need to monitor this and need to accept or reject this kind of program. Yes, because it's instant funding program, you can accept this because you got just money there. If you don't risk a lot, this can be not huge problem for you. But the problem is new. Because during the news, sometimes you can push market, you can earn 100, 200 pips. Sometimes you can earn a lot during a strong trend. So let me just a little bit calculate this. You have a $30,000 account. You have a leverage 1 to 100, but you cannot use it. Why? Because if you calculate, for every $2,000, you can trade 2 mini lots. That means for $30,000 account, you can trade up to 3 lots. And if you calculate that, in that case, you have maybe 1 to 13, 14, 15 leverage. It's not 1 to 100. So the problem here is why the prop company just tell you the leverage is 1 to 15 or 1 to 10, and you can trade whatever you like, and if you try to put more lots, you will be rejected because the maximum leverage is this. The problem here is that I do not like all prop companies that offer instant funding. This is something, the trap. This is the trap, because if you trade in this way, you can by accident add 1 mini lot, 1 micro lot above, and you can be, lose account or something like that. It's not problem with risk, just because your platform will allow you to trade with 1 to 100 leverage, but you need to trade to 115 leverage, and if you make mistake, you will lose account. And this is the problem. This is the problem that I do not like. So, as I said, watch this VTS rule. This can be very, very problematic, and watch this trading size rule that can be very, very problematic. And in my opinion, the both of these programs can be profitable for some kind of trader. For example, if you are trend trader, origin funded rules are better. If you're mean reversion trader, you have a higher stop loss, or maybe a swing trader, something like that. You want a little bit room for your trades, and your targets in that case are not so big, then in that case maybe evolution funded rules are better for you, because you don't need to think about volume. You have a good leverage, but you just need to think about targets, and you need to put you need to put a target that it's not so big. And in that case, if you're conservative and you try to put maybe 25 100% target in one day maximum, it's okay. So this is the only solution that I see, and I just want to tell you that try to watch all traps, because even the instant funding programs have traps. So the bigger trap for me is something when I trade a months and months, and by accident I make mistake, lose account, and I didn't hurt anybody. So there's no problem with drawdown, with stop loss, when nothing so crucial. Just, hey, you have 1 million lot more in your account. Your account will allow that, but you need to watch that, and because you didn't watch that, bye bye. And this is the problem for me. And I hope that all future funded programs will avoid this and remove such ridiculous rules. If you want that I trade with low risk, put me low leverage. This is the end. Not to I calculate. I want the leverage, and this is it. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.